Get my sensor on there so I can read my E85 percentages. I'll show y'all. That lets you know where to place your wipers. This part right here, you gotta pull these off. These connect right here, all the way up to this part right here. It's the trim. Just be careful when you pull that shit out because you don't want to rip it or bend it. Now you need to pull off this. You just lift like that. You can unscrew these little plastic screws. This is going to let you take these covers off like so. Boom. Once you get that off, this just lifts right up. And then in the side right here, it clips in. It's real simple. It just pushes in a little cavity right there. All right. Pull it over and slide it up over. Boom. And it slides right out. That's it. That's how you pull off your cowl. Nice and simple, man. Nothing too complicated. This whole wiper assembly needs to be removed. And then I took one out right there. Now this whole thing comes off. It just needs to be disconnected. This nipple needs to be disconnected from this plate. And then unplug the pigtail for your wiper motor. And then now we just need to pull the firewall out. Just pull it straight up, just like that. Now there's plenty of room to access the fuel line, which is right here. I'm gonna disconnect this over to the feed tube, which is right there, the yellow, right there. So never disconnect your fuel line or try to fuck with your injectors before you relieve pressure, right? Here's the valve to relieve pressure on your fuel rail. Put a paper towel over the valve like this, and then I'm gonna press down on it. And nothing's coming out. Fuel pressure is done. Now I'm just gonna disconnect the lines with disconnect tools right there. Use a 1/2 inch would be the red one. And that's just gonna slide right over top in here and then push down into the fitting to push the hose off. We're gonna do that. Need to pull that tab up first. Get this collar on here. Just gonna push on this and then pull the hose down. Boom. There we go. Let's disconnect it. It's a feeder line. Got this one mounted. Right there. Now we're just going to hook this one up. All right, get this one locked on. I just need to tighten everything up. So I'm gonna take that bitch apart. Get my sensor.